in students this industry. Okay. We can say e-mobility or drone.
E-mobility is different.
It is related to.
क्या होता है सर ये डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन होता है. अरे और अब्बा तुम लोग का तुम्हारा ये सो ये एक अलग एप्लीकेशन होता है. ये सर्वर में एप्लीकेशन यूज करता है.
Okay.
And this is for delivery. So he is they come from Shivji. Yeah, please.
Okay. So now we are manufacturing not only multi-rotor but also fixed wing. And across the country, if you see that map, there only one point is missing. Later on, I will take you. We have to tell me which point is missing. Otherwise, operations into you might be aware that yes, and every country is behind drones now. One of that is the defense application. Now, second one you see at your right side, that is very most important. Is type certified drones. What I mean type certified means by law it is totally approved by the DGCA. Now, what is DGCA? Director General of Civil Aviation, who is responsible for all this aviation concern in civil lines. Okay, so in short, I can tell you how much time is there, sir? What is the time we are having to know?
Whatever time you are having,
Okay, fine. So interest should be there. It is not because sir has brought you forcibly you are standing and then after 1 hour, if whatever I am telling to you, it should be totally grabbed. In that way, you should please take. And you are very lucky that you have been here in SARUS Aerospace. It is our southern part. I mean, we say it is North Karnataka. Bangalore is South Karnataka. This is North Karnataka. We are alone. And all you see here, they are all from Belagavi district only. Okay, it's a local. Everybody is running from here to Bangalore, somewhere say Mumbai, Hyderabad and all. So we thought there is a requirement of this region and we will start it from here. Since our CEO, Mr. Hon'ble Patil, who is in Pune today for demonstration of drones, 80 kilometers it has travelled and they have invited us for the next demonstration. Okay, that we feel proud that our this was used for single operation. Yeah. For daily works and object. This one we have already got 3 hours for that. Okay, coming to the basics now. What I am saying is drones is playing a crucial role. Now let me know anybody from your side, since your electronics are in the final year, right?
third year.
Okay, 6th sir. 5th sir. Okay, no issues. Nothing matters. And despite of any discipline, this is not a matter of mechanical, electronics and all. Any discipline for drone, it doesn't ask whether it is mechanical, then only I go. Whether I am a civil, then only I go. No, it's your interesting. So coming 10, that is a decade, or 20 years, it's full of drone technology. So you have to be very much keen about that. You can develop. And yes, there is scope for each and every components required for work. None of the including SARUS Aerospace, we are not 100% indigenous. Once I say indigenous, means we have to make all the product, each and every component in-house. In-house? But indigenous is very much important. You know that word. This government is very much keen. And I literally seen in Delhi office, MOD office, that they want each and every component will be manufactured here only, so that what happens by manufacturing here, lot of people will get jobs, lot of economic, lot of things are involved in. Okay, it is not that you are. I have seen personally here after serving. Basically, still I was supposed to serve for 10 years, but due to some domestic reason I am here, and I am with the mission. I have done J7 now. I want to work for the JK. And literally, once I say, I have to mean it. And we are also looking for all the, what do you say, young entrepreneurs from your side. We are here. Anytime you can call, while going, please scan that QR code, you can join our client club. Anything related to the drone is being told to you. You see, what is the weight of this one? I will not give you. Just tell me.
Approximate value.
How much weight?
1 kg, 2 kg,
2
half
half kg.
Half kg? Okay. Now you hold it. Less than that. Right?
Grand.
This is only the airframe body, airframe part, landing gear, and the legs and all. Got it? So this we have made it here only. Now first question is, what is that material? Can you please tell me? After saying
material.
Achha, you are also with them? No. Only electronics area is not there and battery is not there. Rest it is ready to Means it is like a airframe only.
It's just like a body, no?
Yeah, it's all full. This is landing here, holding up. And this is the specialty other thing. I can fold it easily and put it into back. Okay. This is foldable mechanism. Got it? So, and if I remove this landing gear, that is removable, you can put it.
Yes.
So, this material is made up of carbon fiber. Now, just for your information, that it is very lightweight. Okay. Apart from this, now DGCA comes into the role. I told you, no? So, for you, can you please tell me what is the full form of DGCA?
Director General of
Civil Aviation. Okay. Can I fly this drone anywhere? If you are interested also, can I fly this drone anywhere?
We have to have pilot license here.
Okay, so now government has been very mandatory. There are actually there are 3 different zones. There are 3 zones which have been categorized. Okay, I am talking about the zones categorization. That means one is your once I say something as a category, and that I cannot fly drone without any permission in the red zone. One is permission in yellow zone, and third is your okay, this zone is all available on the website also. So green zone where I can fly. Till where I can fly? There is some limit also, isn't it? Like you have seen the manned aircraft. Daily I have seen the flights and all. They are manned. Why we say? Because pilot is sitting, co-pilot is there. That is called as a cockpit. Where he sits and flies. Every parameters is visible in front of him. Okay. Earlier it used to be manual, now it is digitalized. Even engine parameters also you can see. But here there is no pilot inside. It is called as a unmanned aerial vehicle. That's why it is called as a unmanned aerial vehicle. The alternate red zone.
The green
Now
zone.
how can I identify whether it is red zone, where you are standing, it is a green zone, yellow zone. So everything is given on a digital science platform. Everything is available. Even before you fly, we have to make something, we have to check. So but you should understand this red zone means it is absolutely airport. What it is? Airport. Now, airport is not a small. Now you cannot say the landing point from here to here. No, all the compound walls. We have to consider from the compound wall to 5 kilometers. From the compound wall, because international airport runway itself is 5 kilometers. More than 1 kilometer. Isn't it? And surrounding there will be no trees and all. But the consideration is from the compound wall. How many kilometers? 5 kilometers. Establishments, forest, these are all red zones, you cannot fly. Got it? So you should understand this. If somebody is flying also, you can intimate your local police station as in the drone. Okay? If maybe somebody is doing this nowadays, I don't know, coming days, it will happen. So immediately, it's a citizen's responsibility to safeguard our country. Yes or no? Because if something is going to happen for somebody else, it will happen for me also. So thinking that, we have to tell. That's your red zone. Now second is, what I say? Yellow zone. Now yellow zone is, who is the authority? There? No. He cannot give every time. Airport authority. ATC. It is air traffic controller. Now again there, in yellow also, I told 5 to 12 kilometers. But 5 to 8 is called as a outer zone, inner zone, and 8 to 12 is called as a outer zone. So there are different responsible person to whom you have to approach and you have to tell. Now, here we have not put it. How will they identify if it gets crashed? Will identify, yes or no? Which state it is? Like you are coming from Sydney, it is MH? What is this?
17.
That is your city, isn't it? District, which district it is? That means it's pertaining to that district. Yeah. So they can identify. Now once they go to that one, now everything detail of that owner will be displayed. Very easy. Okay. So likewise, these drones also are being identified by unique identification number. That is called as UIN number. Once you see, if you see somewhere it has fallen, you can just see that UIN number is written and you can implement this bit fallen here. Okay, likewise for you also. So this is your yellow zone. Clear? Now third is your green zone. Green zone is 12 kilometers. Beyond 12 kilometers. Up to
From 5.
2 kilometers. Horizontal. You can fly because this aircraft flies horizontal as well as vertical. This will say x-axis, this will say y-axis. Now horizontal has said 2 kilometers. Then there should be something limit at the higher. What it is? That is also 400 feet. 400 feet means how many meters? Anybody? 400 feet. this all will come. Understood? So blindly, just you have asked somebody else and ticked it and they have come back. And that's what it is showing here. Isn't it? You should think yourself. Okay. Once that is done, you should calculate how many centimeters is equal to means how many millimeters is 1 centimeter? 10. Right? Now how many centimeters is equal to 1 inch?
1 inch. How many centimeters are there?
See, you are going to be the engineers.
2 point.
Okay, no issues.
No issues.
So now what happens? Just I am telling you this. So you should have that interest. What I mean to say is not yours concern. I was also like that only because nobody told this. Okay, what is happening is just turn the page and complete this system. But we are trying for the values, means marks. There is no value about it. Understood now? So why I am telling is you should take interest. Now change. Whatever happened is for it. Now once we come out, then we should think it. Isn't it? What we are doing is just turning the page, reading, graph it, and why? Ask yourself the question, then you will come to know. Understood? This is clear now? The horizontal line is 2 kilometers, height is 400 feet, that is for 120 meters. So this is there. Now it is about the height, horizontal. But there will also be some certain limit of speed. So all things have been. Remove this one. You remove this one. Assume the plane is there. Can it fly like this on take off? Will it take off? Why they have made that huge runway? So that it has to, thrust has to be built up there, isn't it? Then only certain power has to be built up. So that will go along the runway. You say around about 500 meters or 1 kilometer. Then full power means engine has to be built full power. Then it will again take off. But for this advantage, it will take off from there only. So that is called as vertical takeoff and landing. Vertical takeoff and VTOL. Understood? You know 6 means hexagon, 4 means 12, 2 means by, 3 means tri, 8 means octa. So it is called as a hexagon. Why? Depending upon your blades. Okay. Now you see, are they single or double in pair? They are single or in a pair? Yes. So all will be there are 2 things. If you have seen a helicopter, mostly during elections or somebody is coming, you see there is one main rotor blade and behind there will be a tail rotor blade. Why that tail rotor blade is required? Direction. Changing. Yeah, but tell exactly why. Because if only main rotor blade is there, what will happen? The anti-torque should be there, no cutting of air. Otherwise it will start rotating. Equal and opposite force. The way it is rotating. So to balance that, we are putting the pressure. Same way here, these all blades, 3 sets are clockwise, 3 are anti-clockwise. 3 are clockwise. That's why we say it is a CW as well as CCW. CW and CCW. Got no? Little bit at least. Okay. And now see, down below is your PCA as a payload. That is called as a payload. The capacity of this is 10 liters. Now we are giving the training for farmers also. What will be the benefit for the farmers? I have written there, means we have displayed it here. Lot of things. One is your time consumption. Very less time. Right? Because I will tell you, if I charge this with a battery, I will also tell about the battery. Right now we are using lithium polymer and lithium ion. Okay, lithium we say shortcut LiPo and lithium ion. So this will for 1 acre, it will spray in 6 to 7 minutes. In 1 acre. So if you need a manual means manpower, we need so many people, isn't it? Plus, then what is it will take a lot of time. So skin infection, it may affect his eyes, right? And in sun, if it is a lot of sun and all, heat and all, again it will impact on that person. Cost-wise, economic-wise, health-wise, etc. This you need to reach to every farmer. When you get time, I request you go and teach some farmers that there are this technology. You need not worry about it. Okay, that's why what you say, scientists. If scientists were not there, our agriculture would have been eliminated. Because now whatever we are using in this field, we are using chemicals and all. That's all. Earlier it was not like that. Now we are using chemicals. So that also we should avoid it. There are what you say, non-poisonous. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Come, I will show you one small drone outside. They have come from Commissioner of Police. This is urgent. I will show you the flight. Come.
Radio frequency there.
I have not switched on. Come outside, I will show you. So you can hold this one, hold properly. And this is police department. This one. Called as a. This is again drone. What it is? You see, these are also having this is called as a propellers. Okay. It is a propeller. This is called a multi-rotor. How many are there propellers? So it is called as a quadcopter. It is called as a quadcopter. So if it is 8 octa, this is quadcopter, right? Now here you see the speciality of this is called as a payload. What it is? Camera is fitted. This camera is fitted with gimbal. Anybody aware of gimbal? It will rotate. Okay, it rotates according to pitch and however you tilt. The command is in your hand. The way you give the command, it will rotate. Okay, and this will also go up and down, left and right. So it's all working about the gimbal. Got it? So this is called as a weight. What is the weight of this one? You see, very light, isn't it? Yes or no? But it is not indigenous. That is a problem, and this is a challenge for you. You can make such of things that we are teaching here now. We have started every part indigenous. We have reached 70%. Another 30% is there. We are looking for the entrepreneurship to do. Okay, now one more thing. Can you see anybody? So this is the battery for this one. Power source. I said no, lithium polymer. So nothing else. You see, internally is hollow person. But how the connection is there. Now what I will do? I fitted it. Done? Okay. Now that is, yeah, no issue. That is switch off. Okay. So now that is your drone. Same way it goes for big and all. Everything what your electronics and communication engineers, your role is there only. Okay, that cannot fly without this. So feel proud that you are a EC brand. Bosch is looking for many people from Gopte College and Usin. Even my cousins and all in Bangalore when I was in HL, everybody they have taken off. So electronics communication is evergreen now. Semiconductor hub is in Noida. Okay, feel proud and start researching. Don't say that yourself, okay, sir has said to feel proud and don't study. You have to do some research, okay? So this is a remote controller. Huh? So anyhow they were about to come, that's why I thought mingle up. He will be also happy because they will check it. You do test So you see what is this? Can you tell me? It is a antenna transmitting. It is transmitting this thing. Something is fitted in this one. Okay, some receiving. Okay, everything we communicate through this only. And for farmers drone, you see, it is not. There is no display about it.
We have to go to the other facility.
Okay. Okay. Only 2 minutes.
Yes, sure.
Are you interested to see? Otherwise, you can go now.
Yes.
Okay.
Let them, but you just directly go to this.
Yeah. Okay. Now, always one more thing. What happens? Aircraft flow. It has having 3 axes. It is having 3 axes: roll, pitch, and yaw. Now I will say rolling. Now you see the aircraft. It is a big aircraft. Now he cannot come and land at a one go. So he has to take a rolling. He comes in this way. That is called as a rolling. Okay. Pitching in the sense up and down. This is called your pitching. Rolling done, pitching done. Yaw. Yaw in the sense movement of left and right. Left and right. So there are 2 controls here. There are 2 controls. One right side they have given. This I have fitted it. He was coming. It will be removed only. So just nothing else. This is your control. Okay. So this will do your roll as well as pitch, and this will do your yawing. Yaw means what it is? Yaw movement. Yaw. Just now I shown.
Movement. Angle movement. Left and
Only
right.
left and right. Okay. Got it. Now see. Left side I am giving the throttle for it, and now I have left it. I am doing nothing. Okay. This has a display where it will show what is the height of this one now. Okay. Down below you see, if you are able to see, there is a ground sensor. and due to wind, automatically it is taking balancing, the aircraft is balancing. Now I said pitch. I will just give the pitch forward, it will go there. Okay, and see now this is capturing the image also, that university. Okay, I will zoom it. Right? Now I will turn that aircraft this side. What I am doing now? What I am doing? You can you see the guy? See, now this is your height. Okay. In my left hand, what I have the control, it is called your throttle. So I'm giving the throttle to go up. Okay. And only from this only I can rotate that aircraft, left and right. Actually I brought down. What it is happening now? It is rotating. You see here, you can see visible it is. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is rotating. Got it?
Yes.
So what I wanted to say is that this aircraft is totally controlled by your remote control only. Okay. And this how you communicate it. It is in your embedded circuit. Huh?
Sir, in the body, I think you have fitted that battery pack.
Battery,
and
yeah.
as well as the embedded controller is in that only or what?
Embedded system is one part is there inside it.
But that was in the battery pack
No,
itself
no, no, no,
or
no.
what?
Batteries are only, it's purely battery.
Purely battery.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So it is internal.
Yeah, yeah. That is okay. Just I will tell you, only anybody who are confident, only thing is that you have to move it forward. No height, tell me. Anybody who is confident. Throttle I said, no, move it up. Just slowly up, only up. Right? Leave it. Down, down. Yeah, enough. Enough. So, means there is nothing to worry. Only thing is, but it plays about all, it is about the wind. Okay. Once if it is, means it also depends upon the airspeed and all. According to that, we have to take care. Okay. The rest all you do one thing. I have to show some other thing for them. Okay. You mean time we can finish and come. Rest if we have time, I am here till 6:30. If you are coming, I will be here 7:30. If you are interested, then you can come again there.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, please.
That we have FPGA kits also, everything we have displayed there.
Yes.
And some of the embedded systems our students have already designed, those are also there.
So which type of controller you are using here?
Here for these things 8051 controller is being used, and our students have designed, developed using ARM controller also.
Okay.
We have project based learning in the syllabus itself.
Okay. That is for a UG student or
UG 4th semester only we have introduced.
Okay.
So through ARM only they have developed some of the
That
models.
is for second year only.
Yeah, second year.
Second year
Fourth
only you are
semester,
starting.
fourth semester. Along with the theory, we have introduced the project also.
And what type of product things you are carrying out under this for embedded?
For embedded, we have the Proteus software also.
Yeah.
So that is for simulation purpose, through which we can design the embedded systems. And we give that for the internship.
Right.
So VTU has introduced 16 weeks of internship. So through that we give for internship, and that is given, controlled by the company itself,
Okay.
CyberMotion.
CyberMotion?
Yeah.
I know that company.
Okay.
It is very old company.
Very old company. And Proteus software is also very old.
Yeah.
And one
They were
more.
providing for instrumentation people also. the
Okay,
same thing.
yeah.
For us also.
And along with that, we have Cadence software for VLSI. So for that also the internship is there.
Yes.
So system Verilog internship, so we have introduced.
So do you have any VLSI and embedded both the hybrid products, anything like that?
Hybrid products in
No.
the sense, it is together
Any
only. No?
application.
So all the time it is VLSI and embedded together only. We have MTech in VLSI design and
Yeah.
embedded systems.
Ours is also the same case.
Ah.
We are also running a PG course in the same domain, like that.
So because for embedded system also VLSI is required, and for VLSI embedded they are
Yeah.
like
Interconnected.
interconnected.
Okay.
And this is UE for VLS and embedded systems only.
So on this PC you are having all the software.
Yeah, yeah.
All the
VLSI and
softwares,
then
yeah,
Proteus.
yes,
Yeah.
Proteus and Cadence
Okay. So for simulation purpose.
Yeah.
for simulation.
And we have all these FPGA boards, FPGA boards as well as Jetson boards, NVIDIA Jetson boards.
Okay.
So our students.
NVIDIA also.
NVIDIA some boards we have.
Okay.
Cortex
So
boards.
how much? Means actually we want NVIDIA for AI IoT based rover design. So can we see that?
Yeah, all
Please,
boards are.
please.
So we will be demonstrating some hardware security projects, sir.
Okay.
So we have a METI project for hardware security.
Okay.
I mean chip level security, now the challenges are there for the hardware also.
Yes.
So we are designing for a chip level security. She has done some work and that she will be demonstrating on that pink board. That is a pink board. Xilinx pink board.
So I've used Vivado for all the simulations, sir. And till all the steps, RTL analysis, interface implementation is done, then bit stream is generated. Once the bit stream is generated, we'll dump the code into the pink board. And I took a simple combinational circuit to implement. I've took these as the inputs. This one input and these all four as inputs and these two as outputs.
No, first what is your work that you take?
Sir,
How we are giving the security. So
uh,
what we are doing is we are using the logic locking technique.
Yes.
So logic locking technique in the sense, if the chip is directly given for the fabrication, there are chances that they will be duplicating the chips. So if we give the order of 100, they may fabricate as 200
Same
and
machine.
So they will be sold in the black market. So for that, what we are designing is we are designing the logic locking technique.
Correct.
So we give some locking system, and that locking code will be available only with the genuine user.
Correct.
So
that way, that's like a license for that.
A license only, that is kind of
Yeah,
a license
yeah.
only. So and even if they are fabricated also, unless it is working properly, then there is no use of taking
So your
that
major
as,
focus is on this logic safety.
logic safety, yeah.
Correct,
Chip
no?
level safety, chip level safety. That one example she is demonstrating, and that she has implemented on the pink board.
I have took as hardware Trojan detection, sir. What ma'am has told is logic locking, which is to prevent it. Here I'm going to detect based on the power consumption and the delay, whatever it is producing.
So hardware Trojan is also like a kind of a Trojan. Software Trojan we know. So software Trojan can be directly detected through the software. So we just remove it and we proceed. But hardware Trojan, it will be at the chip level. So it can be controlled from the remote stations.
Okay.
So because of this, all the disasters are happening. So how to detect that hardware Trojan at the chip level? So one demonstration.
So
also
this
she has
is
done.
that hardware is companies of which one?
Which one?
This
sir?
is Xilinx.
Xilinx.
So those we are trying, how to give the security at the chip level.
Okay, good. Anything else?
So all these are boards, sir.
Okay.
Different boards.
This is Z board, this higher-end board of the same company of the Xilinx. So we need to give the different inputs like audio, video and all. So here OLED. So with respect to the specification experiments and all, so one more experiment is there, sir. With us, so with the help of the Z board, I have done that one. That is what by ALU. All external peripherals, input and outputs we need to add. So here there are 38 pins we need to.
It is a high-end board, sir. So anything can be done. Even image processing, video processing, any application. And all these boards are put up there as a display boards. So what all we can do? VIRF is there, RTX, FPGA, whichever we have, all those are displayed.
Okay.
Then this Z board and then zinc board is zinc board. Yes.
Next one. What about this?
This code is designed by NXP,
Okay.
and which this belongs to LPC 1700 family, and LPC stands for low power Cortex. So here in this board we are mainly using the LPC 1768 chip.
This is universal kit. You can interface in
We
it.
can give
different types of
develop the embedded system product also, or directly we can use for the experimentation.
Which has different types of peripheral support. So actually this is mainly also on the ARM Cortex M3 based architecture. So this is very power efficient and more compatible.
Madam, our concern was, can you support us for this AI IoT type of control mechanism? For especially our purpose was to have a image detection and analysis, and then after we should have a predetermined some what we can say results, especially for suppose space application or agri application like that. So anybody is there in that way?
So we have one pink board.
Yeah.
So on that we can do various AI applications. That could be machine learning, deep learning, various image processing tasks we can do, sir.
So even on this think board also you can do that. AI is there as well as real time is
Because people are going for NVIDIA, na?
Sir, in think board, what we can do is we can write the Python code. So Python code can be directly downloaded to the think board.
Okay.
So it is not that only very long code. So that is the advantage of going for think board.
Some of our students are working on that. So if from your end, if somebody else will be supporting us, that will be very nice for us.
Yeah, we can support, sir. We have everybody is an expert in one or the other domain.
Because we have received grants for the startup, and we want to make it as a product. Right now it is a kit level. So our purpose was to have a directly interfacing everything as a product. Okay.
So you want to have the kit only. Product in the sense what
Product
type
means
of
we are
product?
working on that. So we want
So
to have
for
a
what type of application?
that is specially for the suppose agri application, crop detection,
Okay.
like that, or leaf
So AI
detection.
based.
AI based. AI, IoT both,
Yeah.
like that.
Now AI. We can do
So
some
autonomous
many-
rover lidar system will be there, and other things will be like that. So how you can support for controller point of view? Because normally the controller values and other things are different. What I see from scientific technology that they were selling this in a different way. Okay. But I was thinking that if some
So agriculture application using AI and IoT.
yeah, correct. That rover will go itself and it will find out the diseases, everything, and predetermined analysis will be there.
Yeah.
Accordingly, we can work.
So you made it everything.
Everything is there.
Water level has to be
Yeah,
checked
yeah.
accordingly. It has to be.
Yes.
Our students have also done some small projects also.
But our aim is as a product separately, project not as a project but as a product, and we have to compare that existing products and our uniqueness of the product like that.
We can do, sir. Even we can take help of students also. Small things we can
Then-
take it from the students.
Then Monday we can discuss about that also.
Monday, sir.
Monday.
Monday I am on leave. Sir will be there.
Okay, so I will discuss with you.
Yeah.
Huh?
Or online, anytime online meeting we can have.
Yeah. No problem.
Online meeting anytime is okay.
This is Center of Excellence, no?
Yeah, Center of Excellence for VLSI and embedded systems.
Yeah, and these two companies are in association with you, Cybermotion and
Encubable supplies cadence.
Okay.
And CyberMotion supplies Proteus software. And we have many these kits also, and our students also have developed those small modules.
These all models
You have
are
mixed
this
them
side. My 805 and 7. So you can read this RFID based paid car parking. So once the car comes to the parking system, then there should be previously defined, and the person who is driving the car, he should have the RFID card. So here we are not using RFID card. These are the switches. We miss the switch who have done, and they have given us to like as a release. So they have done it our previous trains. So here two cars, RFID cards are there. So just turn it around. So whenever the car comes here, let us assume it is a car parking gate. Okay, so it is asking swap that card. So here we have two cards. Any card if I take, so if I press this card, it is asking for the recharge. So again for the recharge we have put two options, either for 300, 500. So I can switch anyone. Like if I put 500 rupees in my card, then 10 rupees will be deducted. Then motor will be turned on to open the gate. So once car is getting, and after some time, 5 seconds later, it will turn on. So it automatically closes like this. very simple project to develop. And for this we need embedded C code, which is to be written on the key, and that should be dumped onto the 8051 microcontroller, and that is connected to the drive. So this is one more project, auto intensity control of street lights. So what exactly we see here in the street lights, nowadays you might have seen in your so without any manual turning on and off of the street lights, only by seeing the brightness of the sun, the intensity of the sunlight, they will be turned on or off. In the morning, they will be turned off, and in the evening, they gradually turn on the lights. Like they'll turn on the lights. So that system we have built. So these are the set of LEDs are connected. When I turn it on, so by default we have programmed whenever I turn on the system, it will on. But after taking a second delay, it will be gradually by using 10 steps, it will turn off. Like by decreasing the intensity of the LEDs. Okay. Once it will go off, after some time again it will turn on. This is a model of
but faculty are explaining.
so again same. We need a embedded C code that we have to write and execute. It should be error free. And through this programmer kit, we are downloading the key hex file, which is converted hex file to the IC. So in key what happens, we write the code, we execute. When it is executed, that C code of embedded assembly code will be converted into hex file. That hex file will be selected and that will be dumped into this IC 8051. Here we have used 89C152. 8051 family only.
We have the
So
videos
this
done
again
by
IC
using our
will be putting here.
nice
So which
project
will
we have
work
developed.
for the
Using ARM cells.
Yes,
ARM cells.
so other
That is for what purpose? Light, street lights.
yes, sir, street light.
So purpose is to on off
Yes,
automatically. or what?
automatically, sir. By
So
with
sensor
the
is-
reference of sunlight intensity.
Okay,
Sir.
LDR.
Yeah, this LD is that side, sir.
Okay.
This is automatic RFID based paid car
The
parking.
intensity will be reduced or increased. Street light.
Yeah. But
Some other time we can arrange everything.
that is where.
Here only our 4th semester students have developed.
Okay.
Using
Sure.
ARM, sir.
We will work out for one or two.
And nice project they have done. Using ARM processor, ARM controller.
Yes. We will work out accordingly. Okay, thank you very much.
Ecosystem platform was built in such a way that from the ideation phase we were able to go to the launch phase, like all the planning ecosystem was built in such a designed way it helps you from ideation phase to understanding the market, understanding the needs of the customer, so we are going to ideate.
What is the objective of your startup? What are the objectives?
Objectives of
Startup.
my startup. Mine is in the healthcare application. It's basically in healthcare. Like there we are able to diagnose the thesis of the patient in 7 questions. Only by 7 questions. Okay. So it helps doctors to understand more about the patient and for the patients to go to the correct doctor. He has no issue of going to any doctor, then he will ask him to consult any other doctor. That's the whole thing that's happening out there. So it is helping in those applications. That is how the things are.
By asking 7 questions.
Yeah, by 7.
And listening of the answers, you are judging.
Not judging, we're giving him the diagnosis. We have achieved 97% accuracy in that.
Okay.
As per doctors.
Diagnosis.
Yes. As per the doctors. That. Things are.
Thank you. So he is one of our incubators. This cohort he belongs to second cohort. The first cohort is the SARUS. So they were part of our first cohort and he is the second cohort. I'll review as you witnessed and as you gone through, it's basically Karnataka State's only technological university by the Government of Karnataka, established by the Act in 1994. And in 2013, 2023, we established section company. As you also have your own. Ours is also we have a section company here, and I'm taking care of the entire operations here. Next. This is our advisory board. I think you know first two people. He is Vice Chancellor and this is staff. Ian sir is the style evaluation, and Rakesh ji is the Executive Council member of the VTU. Prashant Prakash is one of the leading investor in Karnataka. He is the Ascel India partner, basically a venture capital firm. Vidya Morgumi is one of the successful women entrepreneur from the Belagavi region. She has set up in Pune. Pune में भी उनका branches है. She is leading investor in sugar manufacturing units. So Renuka Sugar is one of the product of.
How many are the directors in this company?
Only three. First three.
First three. Okay.
Yeah.
And who is the CEO?
I'm the one.
Okay.
So these are the people who are helping us in running the show. We have people from the cyber security. Supreme Bhatkar leads the cyber security wing. Ajit Patil leads the EV wing. And Timan Gora, he is the fintech guy who is taking care also with. Dinesh Pai is the representative for Nikhil Kamath and Nitin Kamath.
So all the center of excellence are coming under this or what?
Sorry, sir?
Center of excellences, you are having 12 number of center of excellences, right?
Center of excellence under VRF we have 3. As a university there are 12.
Okay, there are 12.
Yes.
You are having 3 different.
Yeah. So ours is
drone.
One is drone.
Second one is.
Second one we have embedded and.
Yeah, that's.
No. That's a different.
That's another. We have another one.
Okay.
This one is
independent. Another VLS and embedded.
Okay.
Another is AIoT.
AI.
IoT.
AIoT.
AIoT. So there are 3 under our section.
Who is looking after AIoT?
There's a name called Sai Charan.
Okay.
So he is appointed by a company called Extran Solutions.
Can we meet him on Monday?
He is based out of Bangalore. I'll check out if he can come in. I'll connect with you maybe.
Otherwise, we can have online meeting also.
Sure.
Please. Because we are interested.
Sure. So this is our governing, member people who are representing the basically industries. Next slide. These are our programs which we keep conducting every year. Next slide. This is our day-to-day work. We keep conducting hackathons, boot camps, design thinking, workshops. So we have offices in, as you may be aware, VTU has office in Kalburgi, which is the eastern part of the Karnataka. We have office in Bangalore. We have office in Mangalore, Mysore, and also in Davangere. It's spread across the Karnataka.
I think you are having Gachibowli also, no? No, that is in actually here. In Bangalore, your regional office is also there, no?
Nagarabad. Nagarabad.
Yeah.
In Bangalore district, we are having 3. One is one our college, and one we are having Constant College, and one Nagarbavi. It is regional office as well as Center of Excellence for Telecom.
So all is under this banner.
Under VRF.
And yours is the head.
Yes. Next slide. So in last 2 years, we conducted around multiple, hackathons, boot camps. Around 12,000 plus students have been reached across the last 2 years. Next slide. So we've been constantly 2 times Startup Mahakumbha happened in Delhi.
Yeah.
So we were the largest representative as far as Startup Mahakumbha. First time, 257 people participated. This year, in the month of April, around 110 people participated. So we were part of the Startup Mahakumbha. Next slide. So out of it, 11 teams have pitched in the national platform. So 11 pitches have happened in the Delhi, and they all belong to our incubation center. Next slide. Yeah, this is the gang which we went this year. So yeah, Urus and other teams are here. Next slide. So we handhold for 18 months for the incubation, and we take 1% equity. We provide funding, we provide mentorship, we provide also market connect for the students. And that's our job as in VRF. So under VRF, we have 3 centers of excellence. One is drone, AIoT, VLS and embedded, and we run a startup ecosystem, startup promotion, ideation, bootcamp. That's our work as such. So this particular section of the building belongs to these guys who wants to have their own, wants to run their own startups, who wants to work on their ideas. This particular wing is belong to them. So we conduct hackathons, bootcamps in this particular.
See, we are also running so many startups at our place. One of the startup is related to the parallel to the Google, okay, and right now this Chat GPT also, okay. So we have developed that things. So he is with me now today. But when we can have the interaction with that thing so that we can work out jointly.
What interaction you want?
Maybe with your experts or students or incubatees or like that, whatever.
So we, today the agenda is to show you the entire vicinity, and the collaboration. Post the Hon'ble Vice-Chancellor, the Chairman gives a direction, then we will have a sit together, we will have a dialogue. Because that's further next level discussion. Just have, look at the ecosystem and understand what we're trying to do. And further that we'll have one-on-one discussion and the team, and you people can come and pitch, we will come and pitch to you.
So all these students are working here in the incubation center?
They are working in the incubation center.
They are having the, at what level they are working now?
So now they are in the ideation stage.
Ideation stage, okay. Okay. And they are at which year now? Studying in which year? Final year. Okay. So their aim is to have a job seeker or what?
They want to bet. The option B is anyway job is there. So option A is they want to bet on their passion. That's what they are trying to work.
Okay.
And this is one bunch of it, and other bunch is sitting in other vertical of the Karnataka. Some they're in Mysore, Bangalore, Kalaburgi, other regions. So as these people belong to Belagavi, we just pull them. Anyway, they come every day here. I just want to have a quick thing.
I am also very much proud of your university because I am the PG student of this university. I complete my MTech in electrical and electronics engineering, and I was specialized in power electronics like that. That year, so I am very much proud of this because I called your Honorable Vice-Chancellor to our place also for the international conference, and right now we have got very good funding from government, and we want to have a very good startups, not only national level but global level. Our vision is there. We want to work out hand in hand like that. First focus is on industry. Second focus is on idea level and creative level mindsets that we want to club together like that.
Sure. I'm happy to work, happy to support whatever is possible from my side. You have to support whatever possible from your side. We can join in hand. Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank
you. This is our ऊपर हो गया दोनों का.
सब हो गया. So yes.
I think
actually like the office is closing now.
No, it's okay.
We will cover the other locations on Monday.
Yeah. No problem because we are having sufficient time on Monday also.
Monday we will show you the Snyder, German Snyder facility, ice park, 3D printing, and other robotics.